So today we're going to be talking about the great instrument known as the Korg Minilogue. This is one of my favorite synthesizers for about a million reasons, but it doesn't have chorus on it. I think a lot of people resort to using pedals, but it's really not necessary. Today I'm going to show you 3.5 methods of generating chorus on your Korg Minilogue.
Method 1 is just to detune one of the oscillators. But we're really here today to cover more advanced topics than that. Method 2 is to route the LFO to a little pitch modulation. And then use some delay. That's almost chorus. I like it. Method 3 is my favorite. Modulating the delay time. The delay time here probably isn't quite short enough to get the official title of chorus, but what it does make is super vibey.
I think this is the most interesting method. So let's get into the details as to how to actually do it.
The patch from the intro sequence uses this effect. You can do it by manually wiggling the time knob. Let's automate it using the sequencer. Record a motion sequence where you move the time knob on your delay, alternating back and forth for each note in the sequence. Try to keep it consistent. The bigger your changes are here, the deeper the chorus will be, so keep it small. I recommend doing this at about 10 o'clock on the time knob and 12 o'clock on feedback. Set your sequencer to 100 BPM and the step resolution to half note. Record something basic into the sequencer so you can keep track of time. I find that if I start turning the knob to the beat before I hit record, then I don't get flat spots, otherwise I do. Make the point in time where the note is triggered the place where you switch directions in your knob turning. Delete all the notes in your sequence. And then just hit play to turn on your chorus. Now turn the tempo knob to change the speed of the chorus. Adjust the high pass cutoff in order to change your wet-dry mix. I recommend using long release settings for this kind of thing. Otherwise, you just get that funky delay coming through. Which I guess is cool too. Here's the sound compared with real chorus. It's a little different.
Finally, method 3.5 is for recording only. Now, what you have to do is you have to double track your Minilogue, once with the LFO on pitch mod and once without it. And then you take those two tracks that you made and you pan them off to the side so you get some stereo separation. I'm a huge proponent of stereo, but I'm only giving this a half of a method point because you can do this with any synthesizer. And if you play out of an amp or something, then there's no way to reproduce it. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.